Yo, what's up? Welcome to this digital deep dive. Today we're breaking down something super important if you're running or planning to run any kind of online biz. It's all about digital network company indicators. I know that sounds kind of technical, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. These indicators are just key ways to track how your online business is doing. There are 4 major ones you need to know: customer database, conversion rate, customer traffic, and digital advertising cost returns. Each one plays a big role in helping you understand your audience, improve your strategies, and boost that income. First up, let's talk about the customer database. This is basically the brain of your business. It's where you store all the useful info about your customers, like their age, job, shopping habits, how often they visit your site, what they like, and what makes them hit that Buy Now button. Having this kind of data helps you understand who your customers are and what they want. For example, let's say you run an online shop that sells streetwear. You notice most of your buyers are college guys who shop mostly on weekends. Now you know when to drop new items or promos, Friday nights or Saturdays. Maybe you also see a bunch of people are checking out hoodies, but not buying. That could be a sign that your prices are a bit high or your sizing is off. So what do? You tweak your hoodie line, maybe add a promo, or fix the product page. That's the power of data. You're not just guessing anymore. You're making smart decisions based on real customer behavior. And that's what helps you hit your key performance indicators. It's not just about having data. It's about using it to level up your strategy and keep your customers happy. The better your database, the sharper your moves. All right, now let's jump into the conversion rate. This one's all about turning viewers into action takers. Imagine someone sees your ad, clicks it, lands on your website, and then actually buys something or signs up. That's a conversion. Your conversion rate tells you how good you are at getting people to take that action. So how do you figure it out? There's a simple formula. It's based on the number of advertising messages sent, your target market size, your capture rate, which is how many people engage, your action rate, how many actually buy or sign up, and the average amount they spend. Let's use an example. Say you post 4 ads on social media. Your target market is about 10,000 students, and 5% of them click your ad. That's 500 people. Then 10% of those actually buy something. That's 50 people. If each person spends 100 pesos, that's 5,000 pesos in revenue. So, your ads did their job, and you can say your conversion rate was effective. Now, if your conversion rate is low, don't panic. It might mean your landing page isn't convincing enough, your offer isn't clear, or maybe your ad is targeting the wrong crowd. Tweak it, test again, and track. High conversion rates mean your funnel is tight and your message is connecting. It's one of the best ways to measure if your digital marketing is actually paying off. Moving on to customer traffic. This one's super straightforward. It's the number of people checking out your digital space. Whether that's your website, your app, your social media, or even your online store. More traffic means more eyeballs on your brand, which usually means more chances to make sales. Let's say you own a digital bakery. On regular days, your site gets about 300 visits. But during Valentine's week, that number shoots up to 2,000. That tells you people are hunting for sweet gifts. So, you launch a Valentine's Day couple cake special and promote it hard on your homepage and socials. Boom, sales increase. But here's the thing. Just because you have a lot of traffic doesn't mean you're making money. If thousands of people are visiting and no one's buying, something's off. It could be a slow loading page, a confusing checkout process, or pricing that doesn't match your audience. That's why traffic data is best when combined with conversion rate. Also, not all traffic is the same. You've got organic traffic, people who found you on Google, paid traffic from ads, referral traffic from blogs or collabs, and direct traffic, people who already know your brand. Knowing where your traffic comes from helps you understand what's working and where to double down. The more intentional you are with traffic, the more control you have over your customer journey. And finally, we've got digital advertising cost returns. This one's all about money in versus money out. You want to know if those ads you're paying for are actually bringing in the sales. The formula is super simple. Take the total sales generated from an ad and divide it by the cost of that ad. That gives you your return on investment, or ROI. So let's say you spend 2,000 pesos on a Facebook campaign, and it brings in 10,000 pesos in sales. That's a 5x return. For every peso you spent, you earned 5 back. That's solid. But if you spent 5,000 pesos and only got 2,000 pesos in return, that's not good. Your ad didn't perform and you lost money. This is why it's so important to test. Try different creatives, audiences, and platforms. Maybe one ad works better with a video, another with just an image. You never know until you track it. This indicator is crucial because it helps you decide where to spend your ad money next. Don't just chase views and likes. Look at the actual return. It's like the scoreboard of your marketing game. High ROI means your messaging is clear, your offer is strong, and your targeting is on point. Low ROI. Time to adjust, improve, and relaunch. Always be measuring your returns, because profit is the real flex. And that's a wrap. You just got the full breakdown of the 4 major digital network company indicators. We talked about the customer database, how it helps you get inside your customer's mind. We dove into conversion rates, showing how well your ads turn interest into action. We looked at customer traffic, and why more visits mean more chances to sell. And finally, we checked out ad cost returns, where you figure out if your marketing is actually making bank. Use these 4 tools, mix in some smart strategy, and your digital hustle is going to be unstoppable. Thanks for hanging out with me. Catch you in the next session. Peace.